The sound that you're hearing right now is from the all-new Sennheiser Profile Wireless microphone. And know this, that this could be the future of the microphones. Well, today we are gonna share our initial impressions and our thoughts about this microphone, and you be the judge of the audio quality of this mic. Hello everyone, I am Mohit. You guys are watching Gadgets 360. Let's start unboxing this Sennheiser Profile Wireless microphone. As soon as we opened the box, we noticed it had a Sennheiser kit bag which had this giant charging bar, a few documents and manuals, USB Type-C to C cable for charging and super soft windscreens. The packaging looks quite premium after touching the charging bar and other accessories. But now it's time to know what's good. Well, this charging bar is not just a charging bar. It's a premium matte finish bar which works as a charging bar, 2% interview mic and mounts on a tripod and can be used as a condenser mic. This charging bar holds two clip-on microphones, one receiver, two magnets, DSLR mount, two different connectors which can be used in laptops, Android phones and iPhones. So these two clip-on mics have 16 GB of memory each, and it can record up to 30 hours of 24-bit of internal recording, and each mic lasts up to 7 hours on a full charge. The mic features stereo, mono and safety mode, and this Sennheiser Profile Wireless microphone starts at a price of 29,900. This microphone also supports 245 meters of connectivity range, and I think we should put it to test.
So right now I am approximately 200 meters away from the camera, and I think this mic should be working. Is it?
If I compare it to other mics at a similar price range, this mic offers a lot of things which other mics don't. This includes a whole charging bar, where in other mics, you have to charge everything individually. Here you can just plug your bar to charging and everything will be charged simultaneously, while prioritizing transmitters first. These microphones offers up to 245 meters of range, which after we tested came out a little wonky, but other than that, it performed quite well in other situations. The accessories seem quite useful. It doesn't matter if you are creating content with a phone, laptop or a camera, this mic works as play and plug for everything. The versatility of this microphone in adapting situations is the real deal. What do you have to say about this Sennheiser Profile Wireless mic? Let me know in the comments. Let's talk there. I'm gonna see you next time. Till then, goodbye.